Korean community. I'm very glad to hear many different developers. In this time, I want to talk about the attitude of web developers about HTML5 and introduce HTML5 activity in Korea. So I live in beautiful Jeju Island in Korea, like Okinawa in Japan. My first job was a web developer 15 years ago, and now I'm working at Daum, the second largest Korean company, and as a technical evangelist of Open API. So and my part-time job was a blogger, and especially web development technology and Mozilla Korean localizer and community support and standard and evangelist. So I really want to be a friend of web developer in Korea. But many web developers confused for emerging HTML5 technology, especially REST developers. So I want to talk about why HTML5 is important for web development in the first. As you know, the HTML5 finished in 1998, and there is a gap of 10 years. In browser world, web developer world suffered with non-standard technology. A small goal is right to use web developer. But there is a new trend in Web 2.0 world and Web as a platform and Ajax Web as an application platform. Actually, in that time, my browser vendor initialized open-based web hypertext technology working group to make a new web standard with volunteers and web developers to support both web document and web application. They wanted to make open spec joining many people. Actually, in final chapter of HTML5 spec, there's an acknowledgement section. As you see, there's many names over 600 web developers. My name is also here, but my contribution was very small, just to change one business code in spec. It means HTML5 major spec was made by web developers like you from 2005 and 2006. So please keep in your mind that HTML5 was made by web developers for the peace of mind. Okay. So in Korea, still Internet Explorer is dominant browser in Firefox and Safari has been increased by choice of power user. HTML5 is not popular yet. But there were very big changes in mobile web. In 1 year ago, iPhone was released and many Android phones are followed. So because of HTML5 education on mobile web development by Google and Apple, many Korean web developers are also confused. So our Korean web standard community prepares an open conference on July, and we surprised sold out 700 seats within 12 hours. So there's many people in there. So and we made a free HTML5 guide books, and we gave the print books to them to share five lecture videos with Creative Commons license. So there's several HTML5 books and more than the prepared. Fortunately, 2 Japanese books are translated into Korean also. They gave a lecture to the CSS9 Seoul events. It's very good chance for communication between Korean and Japanese web developers. In Korea, there are several web standard community. One of them has over 10,000 members. But new HTML5 community are made to and in November, WC's HTML5 Korean interest started as like Japan. It shows HTML5 is very active in Korea right now. So our Mozilla Korean community made Mozilla Hack Korean version in this year. 8 volunteers have translated blog article about HTML5 implementation on Mozilla. I think HTML5 is good opportunity for web developers. If you spread the word, will be realized. I want to show the Daum's real example of the HTML5. So as banner, some people click and banner click here. So it is a real example. Thank you for listening.